afternoon, friends. Hope everyone had a great weekend. And today is Monday, 3rd August, 3:20 p.m. And we're going to analyze Nifty and the stock picks of the week. Okay. So first, we're going to look at Nifty on the higher time frame, which is the weekly chart. And Nifty looks like we've broken the low of last week, which was 11,026, and now we are at 10,900 levels. So we're going to close like this for today. So let's see where we close at, but we're down 175 points, and Nifty looks a bit weak from here. So we don't rule the Nifty going down to around 10,600 levels, and it doesn't look like it's going to break this yellow line, which is of 11,200 levels, and that line looks like very unlikely to break that line because there was resistance in that line from before as well. So let's see how it goes. That's Nifty on the weekly time frame. Now you look at Nifty on the daily time frame, and on the shorter time frame we look like we've kind of got support on Nifty at this black line and the blue line together. So let's see how that pans out for short-term traders. Also, we've got a lot of resistance again at that same yellow line. So even short-term the resistance is the same. If you're an options trader, which I am, and I trade a lot of options, so I have gone and I have made iron condors where I have sold the 11,600 and 10,600 calls and puts, and I've hedged them 200 points above each, which is 11,800 and 10,400 on the lower side. Okay, so now my stock pick for the week is Z Limited. Today we traded, and it was a good short sell in the morning, and we made some good money. So that is still good for a short sell. If you watched my videos previously, Z Limited was always weak on the charts, and every week we kept short selling. We're nearly at our target of around 135 levels. Actually, we are there only. So we didn't go above near the stop loss levels, but we've hit our target. So we're pretty much done with Z, but it still looks weak on the chart. Now we look at Sun Pharma. So if you watched my previous videos, we were waiting for Sun Pharma to break this high of 500 levels, and it did. It broke out and it gave a good breakout on the chart, and it went to around 540 levels last week. But from there again, now we are in a range. So this also has worked out in our favor. We had also seen Reliance, and Reliance was Reliance was the trade that we didn't get correct on the swing trade. Our stop loss got hit. Okay, and also we had looked at Apollo Hospitals, which we made a very good profit on Apollo Hospitals, and a couple of students who bought Apollo Hospitals for swing trading have actually profited a lot, because we had given a buy at around 1450 levels. It went to a high of 1700 levels, so you could have easily booked your profits then. For this week, I have a couple of stocks, and I'm going to show you which stocks they are. So the first stock is Tata Motors, and Tata Motors on the chart looks very strong, and it looks like we could be getting a breakout and heading towards 120, 125 levels. So we'll see how that pans out. So if you're a swing trader, you can buy into Tata Motors, and I have bought into Tata Motors myself. My stop loss would be about 5 to 6 rupees lower than where we are right now, and my target would be around 15 rupees. So it's a good swing trade, and we could be heading higher. My second trade, which I would take, would be SBI, which is State Bank of India, and this State Bank of India also looks like we could be heading towards 200 levels. So let's see how that pans out. Our Nifty Bank, which we look at normally, is also a bit low, and we've broken last week's low. So let's see how that pans out. India Wix is also going up, which means we could be heading for a correction in Nifty. So let's see how that goes. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe in these times. Trade well, trade with a stop loss, and focus on your risk management. Thank you.